It's your fault. At least
Joke lang.
aware ka eh. Sana kayo bibring up mo pagkatapos kitang ni-reimburse with matcha kanina?
Okay, fine.
Hirap mong yan, no?
Naihi ko na yung matcha ko eh. One more.
Ngayon, she's so not hospitable talaga.
You know what? I gave her water.
Oo nga, water, tapos...
She wanted matcha, but I said, oh, you won't be able to sleep. And then she... Oy, tumayo nga ako to wash your glass pa.
I mean,
Ayun.
ano yun? How do you have energy right now? Usually, like, ubus na ngayon eh.
I don't know. Okay, bye.
Oo nga. Paano yung shut off? You keep putting your tongue out talaga. Keep lang baho naman.
How's the party yesterday? Oh my god, guys. Rain was like going around screaming and stuff.
Scream.
She was standing on the stage, doing
You saw that?
tumblings.
Ay, hindi na nakita.
She was doing tumblings.
You know, okay, me, let's talk about Andi's behavior yesterday. Talaga. You know what happened, guys? Bakit? Kasi, di ba, of course, my life is, of course, my ano yesterday was like half kasi, you know, PBB people, PBB Channel 11, tapos Andi Abaya and company. tapos I kept going there and going here, tapos I went to PBB Channel 11. Pagbalik ko sa table nila, she went home na.
Oh, because we had tape.
She went home na. She didn't say bye to me.
I didn't see her na kasi.
She didn't say bye to me, and then she didn't even chat me na she went home na. So I was like, oh, she's mad kasi I spilled her juice. She's ganun na tao. Like, I said sorry naman, I didn't do it on purpose, and it was partly her fault, pero...
Yeah, that's why I wasn't mad, because it was partly my fault. Guys, do you know the trigger of rain? That guy told me. I can see pala.
Wag na!
Tama na. Joke lang
Crush
yun.
daw ni Andy si Rin. Tama. Kaya she's acting like that.
Sobrang feeler.
Your feeler.
Wala na, may magko-comment na naman sa account ko.
Ayaw nga ba?
Ibabash na naman ako.
Guys, stop bashing. You're so OA. I love you.
Not them.
Not you guys, we're yung iba people.
Pero mas basher pa rin si Rain. She's the biggest basher.
My biggest basher in the world, Andi Abaya. So if ever... You think I'd like to deal with you?
Inutusan ka.
Ang hirap eh. Nakailang reject na sa akin
Ano
ng
ba?
IG.
Teach us how to verify. Nandito kami sa kusina niyo, hindi niyo alam. Bumaba na kayo.
Sino ka na tita jokes?
It's funny. For me.
Saan kayo papunta? Sa inyo.
Pupunta na dyan. Go.
Behave na be?
Go.
Yeah, it's my favorite sweater. Ang baho na nga kasi ginabi ni Andy kanina.
Uy, ang bango kayo!
She said pa, ang bango ko kayo. No, it smells like smoke now. Pero kanina, Andy used it all day, tapos I was freezing na lang kasi...
You had a kumot!
No, I didn't have kumot talaga.
You know, liar. The biggest lie ever.
She wanted to use my sweater kasi yun.
It was cold.
Tapos she has her own naman. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo suot niya, di ba sweater?
Di ba kinuha kasi yung jacket natin noong una?
No, hindi.
Ewan ko sila.
Who's taller sa inyo? I think Andy. Tama! Same age kayo? No. She's way older. She's way older. She's like 32.
32? Okay lang. I was 32.
Galulo.
I don't have to be the rule.
Pero you don't call her ate. Kasi nga, she doesn't want to be called ate.
It's not bagay. She would call me ate when it's a serious conversation.
No, I don't.
No, you'd call me ate when you would call
Really?
but a few times.
I don't do that. I joke naman na
The very few times na she chooses to be respectful, that's when she...
Why do you make it sound like it's my choice to not call you ate? You know, guys, I always call ate kuya everyone, even if it's just 1 year older. I just wait for them to tell me not to say it. And I refuse to not call her ate.
Okay.
Pero she insisted kasi feeling nga siya. Feeling young.
Okay, point taken. I don't ask people to call me ate unless they're like very, very young. Like 5 years old.
Like me, I'm young. 18.
But you're 18.
You're not in the teen.
But just a few years ago.
Quiet. Who's Doxy? Ah, Tiguan's friend. Oo nga no.
Huh?
Hotdog.
What are you reading?
Ano?
I'm just looking
Bakit 2? Dapat 1 lang. Ako lang.
May PBB bias.
Wow, you look like Anne Hathaway daw. Grabe yan guys. Pa-check up muna ng mata please.
Hey, it's just me, Anne. Kaya Andy yung name ko.
Think it's everyday. I deal with her everyday.
Umuwi ka sa Cebu. We're actually in Cebu right now.
Yeah.
CR?
Oh, that was so good.
Sing daw yan.
Okay, let's sing.
What are we singing?
Wait lang.
I don't know, I can't be
Can you
serious.
open?
I was too serious na kanina.
No. Let me play.
What?
Come on.
A song? Or YouTube? Ikaw na ba?
Wait lang. What is that?
No! I know what you're gonna do na.
Wait lang! Ano ba?
No.
Andi.
If it's that song.
What are you talking about? Huh?
Hot dog. Oh my god, I have a cap!
Bakit it's not here? Did you block it?
Ay nako, kulit na bata.
Anyway guys, she's a singer. That's all I can say. Baka sikurutin ako.
Guys, watch the concert. Tell
Oh my
Ray
God,
to invite
Tibo.
me nga to watch.
Ano, come on, to watch nga. Tibok, you know Tibok? Oh my god, you old hand. Sorry.
Zero. Go.
Huh?
Hindi yun.
Sorry, don't use my laptop like this.
Just
How come
play.
it's not working out?
One tap lang.
Yuck.
Kayo.
After you put this everywhere, you put it on the CR sink pa, iniwan mo pa doon.
Hindi ko iniwan doon ah.
Uy, ang bango ka kayo, guys, mahiya ka naman.
Bakit yung shirt ba yung mabaho? Yung bibig mo.
Uy na po, binubuli pa ako dito. Pamay na sa'yo, sige.
No. I ate siomay with...
I eat siomay! I eat siomay! Tapos kaya madamo siya sa bread spray.
Paubos na eh. Kasi sila mga buraot sila.
Sobra.
Secret. Yung kinuko, parang... How do you explain buraot to Rain?
You can't even explain.
Buraot is like... Nangunguhan.
Give them one duet nga.
Okay, what? Yung madali lang na to.
Mag-think ka naman na, palagi na lang ako. Ako nga nag-think ng mga idea kanina.
Oh, DOP to eh.
Guys, you know, we have a TikTok. I'm so excited to post. Kasi grabe yung choreography.
Oh, bro. Like,
Talaga, like, it was so unplanned pero the chemistry was so good. Of like how everything fell into place. And even the song, perfection. Diba?
I can't wait. Ano? I don't know.
Nasabi pa kasakali Ika'y aking masaktan
Hindi was starred in Tabing Ilog. So I didn't watch nga kasi
You actually watch me.
I watched someone else kasi
Hate me. What song? Yung... Ano? I'm not updated right now.
Eddie, you can sing though.
What? Yung song na lang.
Dahil hindi ko na alam Kung ano ang patutunguhan
Faster ba?
Tingin?
Sing it.
By... Cup of Joe. Hierarchy kasi it's so low for me. Actually, sige.
Sing it nga muna. I'm bad with titles.
Wala lang.
Ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo.
Sige, after this one.
Okay na, go na. Hiya ka pa.
Nakakaya naman sa'yo.
Pag di ako live, pinindot mo na yun. Listen to the performance.
Oh,
The same. We don't have the same music taste kasi guys.
Micah.
Ang sinagsay
Wait then play pa nga.
Lucky. Lucky, I'm in love with my best friend.
Meron kayo at napilitan
Ano?
Sana lang nararamdaman
Ben and Ben, what? Dati na. I'll be waiting Ayun na, learn it.
Queen, basher tuloy. Siya tuloy basher dito. Siya yung mas matanda.
Rewrite the stars.
Okay.
Diyan yung taas niyan.
Oh, ikaw nag-choose niyan eh. Ikaw diba?
That's right.
Yun ang paninindigan?
Paninindigan kita. May iba na ba?
Huwag na yun. Justin Bieber laugh sing.
What's that?
Oh my god! She's so old.
I'm uncultured, sorry.
No, like you laugh at the karaoke.
Oh, I know. My laugh is pangit.
No, it's not.
Shut up. You tell me to shut up when I laugh.
No, you're the one who laughed at my laugh.
You laugh at my laugh. Okay, there.
I can do this lagi pala. I'll show them something. Ako na nga.
What?
You're kanino. You're gonna act.
Oh, we were serious. Next na. I'm
Wala.
shy. I'm shy tuloy.
Ayaw tuloy.
Lucky na lang. Actually, I don't memorize it, but let's go.
Oy, Dad.
They said eh. Ito yung kaduet ko, si Clark in studio. Kasi wala namang kaduet.
What? You mati music?
No, I just played his
Mumbling.
video.
Ito, the one you're singing kanina, oh.
Okay, go. You started.
No, you started.
You started.
No, you started. Andi.
Hirap ka ba, Andi?
Ikaw
Kung
hirap
na, it's
ka
your
ba,
live
Andi?
stream eh.
Wow!
It's your account. Let's go! Mas magugulat kayo lalabas si Kai dito. Tapos si Josh lalabas.
Josh!
Si Josh dito sa kabila.
Oh nga, ito na.
Ready! Presenting Kai. Dog. Because she sang this voice already. Go.
I don't know. Stalker kasi siya. Sabi niya, she didn't watch our season.
Joke lang mga. Andyan ba sila?
After this live, we're gonna get bashed na.
No, I'm just kidding.
You started na! I'm trying
Fine.
na tuloy eh. Ikaw galing tabing ilog eh.
Sure. Okay, go.
I think she didn't sing, Wicked in her TikTok.
Huh?
No.
Oh, mama.
Ano?
Wait, let me drink water.
Bawal.
I'm
No, bawal.
Mag-seryoso.
No, sabuan.
Some people live for the power, yeah.
Wow, galing naman.
To play the game.
Hala!
Okay, for real na. Ang hirap.
Oh, parang auto-tune, no?
Ang hirap. Ang hirap mag-seryoso.
Kaya ko lang mo, bilisan mo.
May ba? Wait lang.
You know, after I helped her here, sabi niya, uwi ka na.
I didn't say, I said you wanna go home, don't go home
Not the
yet.
same thing. Oh! He didn't say don't go home yet. Sabi mo.
Wag muna.
Sabi niya, are you gonna go home na?
Okay ka na.
Pinapawi na ako.
Us together.
Ikaw muna.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame.
Wow!
Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game.
Galing naman, nayan ako. Ikaw pa.
You think that the physical things define. Chorus ka. Uy, kayo, dinadog show niyo ako. All of the superficial.
Ikaw pa.
Ryan Bang ang peg. If it ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings. Some just want everything. I can't sing right now. Nothing. If I ain't got you. Ikaw na.
Bingo.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman.
Ang daya.
Okay, next song. She hurt me.
Ang daya. Isa pa. Okay, from the second verse. I see. I'll give you some time to breathe.
Pressure ako bigla, guys.
If I ain't
Pressure
got
ako.
you.
I'm shy. Some people say.
Ayos! Ano yun?
Promise is forever young. Ayoko na, Andy. Tama na.
I sang a verse and a chorus.
Okay.
Okay, wag mo.
Okay na yun! Skip ko na nga eh! Hirap mo kabanding.
This is 90% tawa, 10% kanta.
Hand me the world on a silver platter. And what good would it be? With no one to share, with no one who truly cares for me. So, sing with me. Next song.
Sobrang! Hanap ka ng isa pa. Sabihin nyo. Yeah, let's blend
Yeah,
sa
let's
ano,
blend.
I got to find the key. So,
Let me make it louder so that it's not
Sorry.
Hand me the world on a silver platter. And what
good would
Baka naman ko yun. What good would it be? With no one to share, with no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby.
some people want
Diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some Tama na. Blend. So, pag magiging corny na ako in the future, you know because of who?
Okay.
What the future song? Easier song mo? I think this is the song I'm learning sa RMA. So, I'm still in the process of learning it. Tapos pinakanta niya na dito.
At least, you have your practice na.
Shallow.
Ayaw mo to, tapos gusto ko shallow. Okay. Ano ba yung may second voice? Nag-open yung voice. So bad ka. Okay, ano?
Hagod dun.
Ano pa ba? Love on Top Boost. What's the song that has the second voice? Alam mo isip? Let's go to my... Kung hindi rin lang ikaw.
What's that? Kung di rin... Ay, yun ba? Okay, go.
Go.
Hotdog ng bere.
Oh, we actually never sang together.
I know. This
Okay, this is-
is... Die with a smile. No, we will die if we sing that. Like,
As if you can do that naman.
it's too high. I can do Bruno Mars, do Lady Gaga.
Sorry.
Dibs.
I have a... Uy, maya naman kayong ganda.
Again. Say chorus na. Yan.
Wait lang.
Hindi nahihirapan ang pusong pinipilit na ikaw. Kung di rin ba... Sige, practice mo na. Practice na kami. I lag pa, sige.
Ha? Tayo sa huli, awatin ang sarili na umibig pang muli. Kung di rin tayo sa huli, awatin ba ang puso ko, ibigin ka.
And I think
I
you...
like that.
You don't like that?
No, the way I sound.
Okay.
Not December Avenue, guys. It's
It's like very like pandemic songs. Baka po.
that's your karaoke song.
Yeah.
Ah!
Tapos biglang may kakatok. Ma'am, ingay
Ano
mo.
sabi ko maingit? Pauyin niyo na po yan.
Paninindigan kita.
Okay, go. Okay, that one.
Paninindigan
kita.
Paninin.
Naku, pumasok ka bukas. Huwag ka naman ka ng isip, tama na.
Bagong role model sa office.
Wow, habe.
Habe?
Finance, HR.
Huh?
Habe.
Is that a Becky word?
Is it?
Habe.
Habe. Like, wow, witty. I think... You start.
Yep, no.
Yup.
Do I know the start? Okay, let's guess.
Kaka
Kakainis na ayaw mong maniwalang mahal kita. Ano pa bang kailangan kong patunayan sa'yo,
Baba.
sinta? Pero
I have a higher key. Female key.
it's gonna be too high naman.
Female lower key.
Oh, okay,
Sobrang inatusan na yung YouTube eh. Ayan, naka-disgender. Hindi pwede magtanong you.
Iya po kasi she had voice lessons. Okay, perfect na siya.
Uy, hindi naman.
Uy, hindi naman. Tapos ang yabang niya pag
You're
naka-off
having
yung
voice
live.
lesson ka with Army.
First session pa lang, te.
Magaling ka na. Ay, wala ka tong years.
Kakainis. When do I start now?
Wala pa.
Ayun naman, oh.
Meron? Ah, meron pala.
Hindi mo kaintay.
Too high. Ayaw mo.
Maniwalang mahal kita. Ano pa bang kailangan kong patunayan sa'yo, sinta? Pero naiintindihan ko na
Iwasan mo lang masaktan. Di ka madedehado. Tingin mo lang ako.
paninindigan kita. Mamahalin kita buong buo.
Kahit sa pagdamag.
Ambag naman, oh. Paninindigan kita. Ano mang sabihin ng magulong mundo.
Kahit ayaw nilang ako sa'yo, ika'y ingatan ko. Oh, go! Kakakilig ka sa tuwing lumalapit ka na, sinta. Nawawala ang angas ko, pilit man na itago pa. Grabe kasi kung paano mo ko kitahan kapag napupuno na ako sa ingay ng paligid. Ikaw ang aking katahimikan.
Paninindigan. Sing with me. Mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda ako'y sa'yo. Paninindigan kita. Ano mang sabihin ng magulong mundo. Kahit ayaw nila ako'y sa'yo.
Ika'y ingatan ko. Okay na. Dilaw. Actually, I don't memorize Dilaw, pero go.
Song na masyado siya nag-injure.
Ah, tama na.
Ah, ito pa.
At ayun na niya, guys. Mababa ba yung Dilaw?
Try mo lang.
Hindi talaga.
Eh, bakit nag-email ko sa sabihin ko? Ano ba naman to?
Baka mababa. Go. Burger. Sometimes you just have to support me.
Okay, natin. Again.
A whole new world. A whole new world.
Sorry, guys.
You start.
Ano?
Para I know how to sing.
Dilaw?
Yeah. Kai is watching. Hello, Kai.
Buong puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakat. Nasa na nabigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit nakilig na naman ako. Pero ngayon, kakaiba pag pinalay.
Hindi namin alam pala.
Ngayon nandyan ka na, di na mamadali kang katabihan mo. Bumuti, di na maghahanap ng tulad mong sagot sa mga tanong. Dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko, hindi na ako. Ngayon ikaw na kasaya. Ay,
I'm sorry, Maki.
ikaw ay dilaw.
Iya pala.
Yung mararamdaman ko muli.
Tama na. Sorry, guys.
Sorry po. Oo, rom-com. Bakit si Marvin at Johnny na?
I don't know the memorize.
Oh my gosh!
I don't know the memorize. Oh, New World na lang. Alam ko yun.
Wala, ang strong mo naman. Wala naman ako tingog. Tingog.
Boses?
Hindi tayo pwede.
Hindi tayo.
Wicked na lang. Panoorin niyo yung TikTok niyo, guys. So sudden ninyo. Ako na lang.
Nakakaasar.
Nakakakaba. Sundo. Sinusundo. Okay.
Pinost.
That's mahirap.
Mahirap yung love.
Okay yun. Yun na lang.
Naman yun.
Ay, sorry.
Agoy.
Yun na lang.
Ito na lang muna. Deadlock.
Oh my God. Di ako kapawin ni Andy. I think she loves me na. Ang sakit. Na-hurt ako dito. Oh.
Wait mo kasi.
Yoy. Dito,
In-announce. Kay tagal kong sinusuyod ang buong mundo para hanapin ka.
Nilibot ang distrito ng iyong lambay. Pupulot. Stop ka. Ay, bigyan.
Sinusundo kita. Sinusundo.
Basta naman ako.
Asahan mo.
Wow!
Basta to. Mula ngayon.
Hindi naman reaction nito.
Bigoy sa'yo.
Asahan
Everybody!
mula ngayon. Pag-ibig ko'y
For the kulot.
Wala naman. Just sana ko. Nasa di.
Yeah, but makikita nila yung height difference.
Wala naman. Sa akin mo isabitang pangarap mo. Di ko kulangin. Ang ibibigay.
Isuko ang kabang tuluyan kang I can't sing mga
What?
Basta ipit yung chan ko
Hindi
eh.
kasi ano lang.
Daling.
Do kita
Sinusunod.
asahan mo mula ngayon.
Pag-ibig ko'y
Sa'yo.
Alam mo, next. Hindi na tinapos yung mga kanta eh. No, si Balas.
No, see! Ngayon na kahit maputi.
Sige, yung
Chill lang.
this is very karaoke version.
Oo, thank you, Lord.
Listen to it. Thank you, Lord.
The max with Go Plus 99 with Go 5G
Bakit?
with
Ay, yung love!
After lang yan na eh.
Sige. Go.
Ate Andy.
Hindi bago.
Karaoke?
Karaoke na.
11! Ay matanda na. Sana'y di tayo magbago.
Kung kailan man, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko.
Nakuha mo ba kaya ako'y handa na tikapin?
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo?
Na buong ko.
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo, mangangarap na nakaraan sa'tin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ay, Napaalala ko sa'yo. Laging pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo.
Hindi ko na alam.
Kahit
Yeah. Almost time.
kahit maputi na buhok ko.
Thrilling rendition.
Okay, yun na, love. Tapos, uwi na tayo. Tama na to.
Pagod na. Love, Keisha.
Sorry, I wanted to sing Kid Bocos. That's my favorite
Oh, you sing it
song right
now?
now. Pero, hindi niya kasi alam eh. I wanna sing along mo.
Eh, di sige now.
I wanna sing along mo. I wanna sing with you.
I'll support.
Together, fonts and hero.
I'll learn along the way.
Kunyari, mabait.
Ayan. I used to think that I was the man.
Oo, tutukuan.
Go. Kanina ka pa mo to. Ito na. Sing na.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about?
And I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. I guess it was all just make believe.
Oh, love, never knew
I was missing, but I know until you start kissing.
Oh, gagawin na found.
love.
Never knew.
Sabi natin, isang kanta lang yung namin namin.
Oh, nakarami na kayo. Tigil na.
Tibok daw lagi.
Ikaw na.
Ay, wala sa'yo.
Sige, I'll learn it right now.
Kala mo na.
I'll do one verse.
She's not like this. She's usually just
Just sleeping. Oh my god, I slept so much today.
Ako din.
Kaya pala I'm like this, like this.
Ah, okay. Actually, natulog ganina was nice.
Okay.
Simula sa simple na pasulya, sulat magpapapansin sa'yo.
Talaga.
Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta kayo na? Hello, magandang umaga.
I'm learning it.
Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong ututoy at baka.
Kaya pala gusto mo yung tatlong to, inaasar mo na naman ako yun.
Naramdaman ng puso
Feeler!
kahandahan kung nauulat sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin nagpag-uusap, meron ng namumuo. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ang tibok ng puso.
Diba? Nice.
Sorry. Naskip ko ba?
Yun talaga. Ayun, okay na.
Ngunit biglang katahimikan, wala namang matandaan na nasabi baka sakaling ika'y aking nasaktan. Bigla na lamang ika'y di nagparamdam. Ako ba'y pinagsawaan?
Ayan na naman.
Malawit.
Nakakahiya.
Hindi, Andi naman, oh. Pumotok dito, Andi.
Saan lang yun?
Na hindi ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman.
Ang fast learner naman ni Andi Abaya. Give a round of applause. Ha?
Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang puso ko sa'yo naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso.
O, diba?
Sana'y huwag na ang patagalin, aminin na rin, nilalaman ng damdamin. Sana'y sabihin na sa'kin kung meron ng pagtingin, sana'y ikaw rin.
Hala. Isa pa.
Hala ka, uwi na tayo.
Okay, wala lang. Just wanted to hear it again. I love the chorus. Sana, sana.
Sana naman ay mapabigyan na at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang nararamdaman ang tunay na kaligayahan.
So proud of you, Ana.
Mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso.
Sana naman ay mapabigyan
Gusto yung namin na kagad, diba?
Wala. Word na lang.
puso kong sa'yo nararamdaman ang tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ang tibok ng puso.
Wow.
You should recommend us ng kayo.
Tingin nga. You.
Go.
It's the recent one. Oh, I like this one. I think it's an old song though. Situation Shit. Oh, you know it? Ah, pero kayakap ko naman sa gabi.
Eh, kala ko dilim.
Dilim. Grabe ka naman.
Ano ba yung gabi? Madilim, di ba?
Okay, sige. Matagal na magkaibigan, ba't ayaw niya pang simulan? Ito naman.
Wait lang ha. Hindi pwede mag-warm up.
Ah, sorry ko. Ano yun? Giliw, hindi mo ba ako papanindigan? Ano ba?
Sabihin mo lang kakayain ka na. Magsabi ka na ako, hindi pa tayo.
Silent acting sounds like sounds like a mosquito flying.
Hi.
Nag-aakala
Hindi nga
Ng syota, pero
kung makatext.
kala mo naman, tawag ng tawag.
kasi merong problema.
Hindi ko nagawa.
Alas 3 na, pero kaya papunta na.
Ang tagal na nating kaibigan, ba't ayaw mo ba bang
Stop looking there, you're scared.
I heard it there. Ako na yan.
Meron dito.
Bakit sa bro? No, there's a mock.
How was your birthday?
Giliw mo ka ba kung di ka sugal-sugal? Giliw, hindi mo ba ako papanindigan? Ano pa
Andi Abaya vocals.
hanap mo?
Andi Abaya vocals.
Gang, gang.
sabihin mo lang kakayain ka na.
Oh my God!
Aamin ako, hindi ka tayo. Ang labo-labo, isa lang ang klaro. Sayo na ako. Wala kasing bawal. Tapos siguro sumukat. Ayun na yun. Matulog na kayo. Monday bukas may mapasok pa kayo, di ba? Right?
Darling.
Dan. Yun yun. Dan. Tama ba? 1, 2. Tanda?
Asking me, ikaw nga yung dancer sa ating dalawa. Sorry. Kanta ba?
Palagi.
Okay tayo.
I heard this.
Pabalik
You
pa
okay
rin
with
sa
Casey?
yakap.
I know the chorus-ish. Ay! Masakit.
Talaga?
Ang bite ito. I have fangs.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti.
Saan ka?
Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tapuan. Away pati natin di na namamalayan.
Hindi mapunta sa playlist. Ayun pa.
Dami. Feet tapping.
Feet tapping.
Sa huli
Opium Nation.
palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo iyo ako palagi.
Alam mo to.
Let's see here. Same lang ba? From first?
Balikan Balikan na lang hirap luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Ang taligiran ng ingay at ng gulo. Di ko papapalit itiyo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo sa huli. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
Ubus na ba ito yung Patulogin na
I
natin
don't
si
know the
Andi
song.
Abaya.
I don't memorize it.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman iyo.
Tama na. Uwi na tayo.
Tama. Okay na to. Okay na to. Sige. Sige, go. Pakita ka nga.
Diamante may abuti. Ikaw ba rin?
Hindi ko na favorite. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi na. Wala sa
Mag-iinis na.
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Ay, hindi ko na.
Sa
Guys, may kan edit na parang broken siya. Parang it fits. Parang naman.
Tingnan. I'll make.
Hindi no. Kanina natural eh.
sa'yo ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo iyo ako.
Antok na si Andi Abaya!
I'm really trying to read everything. Oh nga, she should invite me to her
Ayoko
future,
nga.
to her future concert.
Oh yeah, of course you're there.
Dapat lang.
Of course you're there. Ikaw ko.
Actually, crewman ako dun. Ay, natin ako.
Ano ka bukas?
Oo nga eh.
Ano to? Claim mo?
Alam mo, nag-video lang. Oh, goodbye na.
Sorry. Bye guys!
Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Oh, what a raspy voice. Antok na talaga.
Hey. Bye, good night.
Bye guys. No, give me a goodbye kiss. Bye!